Discover the ultimate in precision and contamination prevention with the Zero Hermetic Pan with lid from DTA Instruments. Now available at RedThermo. This aluminum pan and lid set is specifically designed for DTA-compatible mass loss studies, ensuring accurate and reliable results. Explore the cutting-edge technology of the Zero Hermetic Pan set today and elevate your scientific research with RedThermo. You're not just buying a product, you're investing in the future of your scientific endeavors. Don't settle for less. Choose the best and experience the difference.